In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start accepting payments in your online store. First, on the left side menu, go to the section Store, then click on Store Settings and section Payment. Here you will see that Mozello offers multiple options for accepting payments in your online store. First of them is PayPal. If you want to start accepting payments by PayPal, simply insert your PayPal email address in this field. Next is bank wire transfer. So if you want to offer that option, you have to enter your bank account in this field, and you can also add some extra information if you want to. Then you can check the checkbox Send invoices to customer's email. And if you have a physical location, you can check checkbox Enable cash payments on delivery. However, Mozello also offers multiple integrations with platforms that allow customers to pay with cards. Simply select one of the platforms and you will have to register with them. Then you will get the information you need and you will be good to go.